Hi, I'm Gail Yellen. I came to AQS in Daytona Beach from Connecticut, and I am thrilled to be the first instructor to present Serger classes for an AQS event. And today we are working on the tablet case. And this show is primarily for quilters, so I thought it would be fun to show people how you can use a serger for beautiful surface embellishments as well as construction on sergers. And we are doing some cover stitching and chain stitching. We're doing some reverse flat locking and flat pin tucks. I did a little extra beading and a tassel to kind of zhuzh it up a little bit, but also I brought this table runner that is only half finished because I wanted to show quilters that you can make the inside of your quilt just as clean as the outside using an overlock stitch. It's really fantastic. And this is my table runner pattern. And also the flat lock is great for doing some beautiful piecing rather than traditional seaming on your quilts where you have those little ladders, and you can even weave ribbons and fibers through that for a beautiful surface embellishment. And here's one more quick one that takes a little bit longer but equally beautiful with pin tucks and pulled together for this little diamond motif. So I hope that gives you some inspiration and fun ideas for your next sewing project, whether it's a quilt, a tote bag, home deck project, whatever you like to do. And so thanks very much.